What's up, healthy you crew? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to do a simple cleaning, guys, in the bathroom. Nothing too fancy, so I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. So here I'm using ozone toilet bowl cleaner and also some bleach, guys, and a little bit of grease, and scrub it up, dub my toilet bowl, man. Scrub my toilet, yes. This is so therapeutic, guys. Scrub that toilet, like, seriously. So guys, I don't know about you, but I like to get down in my toilet seat, my toilet bowl, guys. So I have some breeze and I am soaping down my whole toilet seat, guys. I'm actually going in all at the sides. You know what I'm saying? We gotta clean our toilets, right? So here I am wiping off all the soap I had there, wiping it clean. Yes, sis, get that toilet clean and just wash off the the cloth and stuff like that. And I'm also going in, guys, clean. I am also going in all at the sides of the toilet, all on the ground and stuff like that, because I mean it's part of where the toilet is, right? So I'm getting in my Corax now, Corax, bleach, whatever you call it, guys, and I am wiping down my toilet seat again. Guys, your toilet have to be very clean, clean, so that you can watch it and probably lick it, but don't do that, right? So guys, I am going in, and also I am going in at the ground as well, guys, the wall, everything. I'm just simply cleaning my bathroom. I already scrubbed the bathroom as well, mind you. So I am also putting some bleach here as well and wiping down my walls, guys. The bathroom have to be very well clean so you can lick all over your bathroom. Don't do it, please, people, don't do it. But yes, I'm cleaning all over, all in the corners, where the broom mightn't get or the mop mightn't get. So here I am soaping down my mirror, guys. Please clean your mirror, okay? That is the cloth I had used to clean the toilet. I threw that aside, and I am scrubbing my sink, guys. Scrub it up, dub. I'm scrubbing all over the sink, guys. I love to clean. Yes, this is so therapeutic and stuff, guys. So I'm cleaning all at the bottom of the sink as well, guys. This is so me. If I could clean like this every single day of my life, but I have work to do, so but I do clean a lot, guys. So I'm going in with the bleach, guys. Bleach, love the bleach. So I'm cleaning down the rest of my wall here, guys. Bleach is it, okay? So I'm cleaning all there. I'm cleaning all at the side, behind the sink, all everywhere, guys. So you gotta get in, yes, to make your place looking and smelling good, so you could just lick it. Don't do it, guys, don't do it, but yeah. So I'm wiping down my sink and also my mirror and stuff, guys. So just continue enjoying the vlog. Now guys, this bathroom curtain take me a while to iron, guys, and it still was ramful. I have no idea. Next time I will put some spray starch on it and it should stay flawless. So here I am mopping now. I am mopping out my bathroom with bleach, guys. Raw bleach. Yes, I love bleach. So I am mopping out the bathroom with some raw bleach, guys. Don't forget to use the bleach. Y'all must be saying, this woman crazy. A pink and white shower curtain and then red, mat and toilet cover. Guys, once the place clean, right? This is, this don't have to really match. Once the place clean, right? It's all that matters, guys. It's all that matters. Don't come at me in the comments, guys. But I just, normal, guys. I'm normal, right? So we gotta put in our toilet paper now. You understand? So we gotta wipe our booty. We gotta wipe our booty, guys. So yeah. So I'm packing the booty cleaners on top of the toilet tank, guys. And now here is for the sink. And let's get, packing. So this mouthwash is the new mouthwash from Pennywise Hall, guys. Yeah. So I was just waiting to clean down the sink to actually, use my mouthwash. Well, this brand new one, by the way. So yes, I hope you guys are enjoying this short vlog, this mini vlog by cleaning my bathroom. Guys, please like, comment, guys. Please subscribe. I almost reached 100 subscribers. So yes, I have to get a toothbrush holder thingy for the wall and stuff, but guys, I'm seriously normal. At the end of the day, I'm still brushing my teeth and I'm still living, guys. So check out the end product. Guys, so yes, this place is looking very nice and clean. Yes, your sis did that. Okay, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video, guys. Bye. Peace.